Hi! So, required daw ang mga caregiving students mag-take og TESDA online program. Unya, mag-take me ani na mga topics. So, financial literacy, financial planning, budgeting and saving, debt management, participating in workplace communication, practicing COVID-19, preventive measures in the workplace, performing solid waste management in the workplace, working in a gender-diverse environment, and developing awareness on halal practices and principles. So, part na sa curriculum ang mag-take aning online program sa TESDA. So, I'll show you how you can create your own account sa TESDA. Although there were 9 or 10 topics nga giingon, kailangan 5 lang minimum ang mapasar. Hatagan yata og certificate after. So, let's create a new account. Click on login. There is sa upper right corner. Click aning new account button. Privacy notice. Basahan na lang ni introduction, what information they collect, the purpose of data collection to facilitate your participation sa TESDA online program. Tapos, click on I agree to the TESDA online program privacy notice. So, here, you have to enter all of your information. So, ako saan i-fill out and then I'll be right back. Once you're done filling out all your info, click lang dire that you agree to the privacy disclaimer. Click lang ning I'm not a robot sa security question. Tapos, create my new account. After that, pangita sa imuhang email address ang email nga gisan sa TESDA for you to complete your registration. Here is the email that I received. So, let's confirm by clicking the link nga gisend nila. Here, na-confirm na nga the registration has been confirmed. So, let's click on okay, you may complete all the other information nga na dere. So, I'll be right back. Ako asa ning humanon. Since nahumanon ako fill out ang mga forms, nga na lang man ang mga questions. So, answeri lang, butang lang personal info, and then click on update profile. So, we need to find kanina mga courses because we need to complete these and get a certificate kay required siya for our caregiving course. Oh, naa siya. Di ko sure nga nung walay financial literacy pero na ay financial planning. So, let's click enroll. Self-enrollment. Enroll me. Okay, so now just a little tour na to do, receive a grade. Next. So, mo ni ang description of the course. So, mo ni ang mga objectives. And you begin your journey by answering the pre-test. This will grant you access to all the lessons and activities in the course. So, kani siya ang pre-test. Complete all the unit tests and the post-test to get a certificate. Okay, so I guess, kani siya ang tulo ka levels. You have to get a pre-test and then mag-study aning financial planning. I post-test after before you get your certificate of completion. So, try na to ning sa pre-test. Okay, I'll just take this real quick and I'll be right back. Sa pre-test, there are 10 different questions. Tapos, you can navigate. Wala siya time nga kailangan. So, you can take all the time that you need. And then, once you're done, submit all and finish. Ipakita lang niya kung kano sa ka nag-start, how long did it take you to finish, and your grade. You can then click on finish review or the next activity, which is financial planning. I think mag-study ka ani. So, enter. Okay, so nali mga module start. Okay, next. Financial planning with BDO Foundation.
Hi, ako si Dina Gagastos.
At ako naman si Ador Gastador.
Sa module na ito, matututunan natin ang financial planning.
Okay, tiwasan ko lang ni. If i-click ni mo ni diri sa kanina ito lines, you'll see here the different categories of the topic. So, na financial planning, financially healthy, visioning exercise. So, we have up to 11 ka-topics for the entire, for the entire lesson before you get to complete. Tapos, dito na ka mag-post test. So, I'm still at the third module or topic. Okay, so there is a financial planning. It's already done. You'll see nga there is a naka-green na ng label that says done, view. So we'll now have to do post-test, which is to receive a passing grade in order for us to get a certification. So for us to start the post grade, we need to get 8 out of 10 because 80% ang passing grade. So, attempt quiz now. I'll be right back. Okay, so nahumanan ako ang post-test. And then, going back here, you'll see na nahumanan na to ang pre-test, financial planning, and post-test. So, let's get our certificate of completion. View certificate. Yay! Okay, save na lang ni. And then, we're done na. Humanata aning financial planning. If you're also a caregiving student and you're also required to get these TESDA courses, like I said kanina, you need at least 5 minimum. So, we'll have to find these. So, kato lang. Thank you for watching. Bye.